G'day guys and girls, welcome back. Well, today we're going to pull the old engine out of Grimlock, the old H motor. It's pretty well had the royal order now. It's getting a bit sad, so it's still running, but we're going to replace it and chuck a 2H in. So all the floor's got to come out of it. Maybe leave the seats in there, I'm not quite sure, but we're going to take the whole front end apart. Bonnet, guards, bull bar, snorkel, all that stuff that's got to come off, and chuck this new one in. We've got a 47 gearbox, transfer case, bell housing, and brand new little 2H ready to drop in. So yeah, let's get this thing going for day one. Righto, so far we've got all the seats and everything out of him. Taking the gear stick out, plate off, gearbox is ready to drop straight down. Bonnet's off of him, snorkel's off. Start unplugging some of this stuff. Lots on there. So Brocky's just doing the ball bar at the moment, getting all the winch. Well, the winch can stay on it, but all the hooks got to come out, and so the ball bar can come off him. Cut and paste, same side, same thing on this side. So yeah, getting there slowly. Right, let's see if we can get this ball bar off. You got him, miss? Right, well done. Right, bring him in over here, guys. Like that. Much better. Right, I'll drop you in there somewhere. Excellent. Right, now for the rest of this crap. Righto, we got most of the stuff, got all them off. Look at that, nice set of strags. Bit of absolutely no good to us anymore. So if anyone's after a set of strags for a H motor, brand new set sitting there. So I've got all the front end out. Motor's ready to come out, just the engine mount. I'm going to drop that gearbox off the back of him first. Drop the gearbox down, undo the mounts, and get him out. Slowly, slowly. Okay.
Where's that winch marker up on? Right, straight back.
Got the winch rope. Winch rope. Hold in there. Hold on, guys. Look at that. Got it out. What a mission. Bloody hell. Oh no, I took a bit of paint off my winch. Right, Tori, just outside the shed, grab a tyre, we'll chuck it on, please. Tyre. One of those tyres. 1H engine. Ooh. Old one, new one.
That's too much.
Well, it's still a new engine. Gearbox sitting there. Oh, that's us for the day. Next time, putting it back in.